எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். Okay, today we will be discussing the other part, the other half of the lesson 2, second half of the lesson 2, right? Number 5, that is there on the screen. See here the chicks. How many chicks are there? Yes, you are right, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Beds also 5. Fingers 5. This is how you have to write 5. Start practicing it like this. Okay, arrows are clearly indicating, right, how to write 5. Otherwise I can show you once. Hey, what happened? Okay, let me draw like this. Fine. Thereafter, no, again it there. No. Okay, from here I can go, right, like this. Okay, again, and like this. Fine. Somehow I made it. So you need to practice like this. The arrows are clearly indicating, right? Color any 5 parts. How did you choose them? How did I choose? How many parts are there? There are 6. Color any 5. What's the issue in here? The 5 sense organs in our body: eyes, aankhe, nose, okay, nose, tongue, right, ears, and skin. These are the 5 sensory elements, sense organs in our body. Practice, look at the chart and write how many times each picture is present in the chart. Okay, first given is hen. Is it hen? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times only, right? Here you have to write 4. Okay. 4. Hey, why like that? Why like that? It is not listening. Some color also I don't like. I will change the color to this. Fine. Okay. How many bananas are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you have to press 5. Fine. Move it. How many balloons are there? There is only one balloon. Right. Then again keep it here. Press 1. How many birds are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 birds are there. Right. Okay. These 3 will come here. How many roses are there? 1, 2. Okay. Let's type 2 and move this 2 to here. And to keep some beads on the table, ask the students to pick up the number of beads as instructed by the teacher and assess their counting. Use only numbers from 1 to 5. Okay. Anyway, that is not possible here because you people are not here, right? The next one is number 6. When we have number 6 here, how many boards will be there? 6. It is usual. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write 6 boards. 6 beads, 6 fingers, and this is 6. And this is how you have to practice 6, like this, like this, like this. Okay. Let me see if I can do it or not. Start from here, go like this, and end it here. Sorry. Anyway, this pen is not good. We can't make 6 perfectly. Then what will we do? This is how you have to practice. That is for you, not for me. Activity: make the star with the sticks similar to the picture given. How many sticks you need? Oh, if you have to make the star using sticks, he is going to give you sticks. How many sticks you may be needing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6. Fine. Underline the 6-letter words in this page. In this page only, 6-letter words. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is fingers. It is 6, right? So we have to underline fingers like this. Okay. Star with sticks similar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similar also having 6 letters in it. The word similar has 6 letters in it. Picture has 7 letters. Fine. Try this activity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Underline. This is also having more. That's it. We completed the task. We got only fingers and one more similar. Fine. These two words have 6 letters in it. Next one is number 7. Okay. How many birds will we having in this picture? Yes, you are right, 7. You need not to count it because this is number 7. The lesson is number 7. Then there will be 6 birds. Fine. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fine. 7 birds, 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are also 7. This one also 7. How to practice 7 like this? Okay. You have to go like this and like this. Color any 7 trees. How did you select these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are in total there are 14 trees here. Select any 7. Okay. Tell that guy any reason. How many colors are there in the rainbow? Make your own. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go to number 8. Let's not waste time on that. Okay. How many starfishes here in this picture? Yeah, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. 4 into 2, 8. Here beads 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This finger is also 8. You need not to count it. Right. Now, how to write 8? Start from here like this, like this, like this, and come like this. This becomes 8. You need to practice. Okay. Take your book and practice writing these other 8s. Fine. Circle a group of 8 balls. Is there any other way of selection? In total there are 12 balls, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 at the bottom. 12 balls. Take any 8. There are other ways of selection also. Whatever 8 you take, na, you can take in a different way. Okay, let's take first state 4, 4, 8, right? Like this also you can go. This is one way. Okay, delete again, change the color. Balls are also red, right? So make it a different color. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. The selection is not unique as you can see from here. See, I can take these 8 also. Who is going to stop me? Nobody is going to stop me, right? These 8 also I can take. Otherwise I can take last 8 also, like this. I can I can I can I can, yeah, I can go like this, 1 2 3 4, like this I can go. These 8 also I can take. Okay, any 8 I can take, man. Color the penguins with different colors. Use only one color for one penguin. How many colors did you use? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's not waste time on this coloring thing. Okay, let's go to number 9 directly. How many pencils we will be having? Yeah, 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Beats 1 2 3 1 2 3. 3 into 3 9. 5 4 9. Yeah, 9. This is how you have to write. This guy didn't write it properly. Okay, it is like inverted B. He wrote like inverted B. 9 is like this actually. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. This is 9. This is 9. This is 9. Okay, fine. That is, this is 9. Okay, since we don't don't, okay, keep it there, no problem. Color any 9 flowers. Suggest one more way of coloring. 1 2 3 4 5 6 9. In total there are 12. Okay, that will be many ways. Take any 9. Draw the tail to kites with number 9. Okay, tail we need to draw only for number 9 kites. Okay, number 9. This one is having number 9. Draw a tail. Again, this one is also having number 9. Draw a tail. See, the tail is very beautiful. Yeah, this one also number 9. There are only 3, so 3 tiles. Pleasure time. Count the pictures and circle their correct number. Fine. This is the example given. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 tortoise. So he numbered 7. The number 7. Fine. Likewise, you need to do for other things. That is what he told. So what will we do? First we will count 1 2 3 4 5. Right? Then circle 5. 5 got circled, right? Roses, how many roses? 1 2 3 4. 4 is there? Yes, it is there. Then draw around 4. Fine. 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is scary thing, man. Okay, whatever it may be, we counted it. Just circle 6. How many these things are there? 1 2 3 4. 4 2 is 8. Okay, 2 rows, 4 4 each. 4 plus 4 8. So circle 8. Okay, Oh, crocodile. How many crocodiles are there? One is enough, man. We don't need many. Okay, circle one. This is dragon, Chinese symbol. There are three dragons. Fine. Comparison. Bigger number, smaller number. Write the count in the box given. Tick the bigger number. Okay. First, you need to see the example is given over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls are there. So he wrote 5. And thereafter here in this box, right side box, 3 balls are there. Write 3. Since 5 is bigger than 3, tick 5. Okay. Understood? Proceed further and complete the remaining boxes. Okay. uh, Let me take over from here. How many TT bats are there? Here there are 4. Then we need to write 4. 4 TT bats are there. Right? Why it is not coming? Yeah, 4. How many TT bats here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. Which is bigger, 4 or 6? Apparently 6 is bigger, right? More bats here, so 6 is bigger. You need to put a tick mark. Oh, tick mark like this. Okay, fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are there. Here there are 4. Oh, now you need to tick the smaller number. That's why he gave once again. We understood the game. Okay, now we will proceed. 1, 2, 3 sharpeners are there here. So write 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are there. Now we will write how many? 5. There are only 5. Why will we write any other number, right? So which is less? 3 is less. If 3 is less, what we have to do? We have to put a tick mark at the lowest number. Pleasure time. Right. Circle the bigger number. In A, there are two numbers given, right? 7 and 8. Which is bigger? 8 is bigger than 7. So circle 8. Now you proceed with the others B, C, and D. Okay. Okay, let me take over from here. In B, we have two numbers 5 and 6. Which is bigger? Yeah, 6 is bigger. So we'll make a circle at 6. In C, 9 and 4 are there. 9 is bigger, right? So 9 we will make a circle. 1 and 3 which is bigger? Yeah, 1 is not bigger. So 3 is bigger. Circle the smaller number. In example A, there are two numbers 1 and 5. Which is smaller? 1 is smaller. So I made a circle for 1. Right? You proceed for other things B, C and D. Okay. Okay. In B, there are 6 and 4. Which is smaller? Yeah, you are wrong. 6 is not smaller, 6 is bigger. So 4 is smaller, we have to make a circle for 4. In 8 and 3, again you are wrong. 8 is bigger, 3 is smaller. In 7 and 8, yes, now you are correct. 7 is smaller. Forward and backward. We need to move forward, we need to move backward. If you go forward, in this way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like this it will come. If you go backward, you have to start from 9, right? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right. Try this, fill the missing numbers. Oh, this is very easy, man. 1, This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That we can do, right? Yeah, we will take some time. Anyhow, see, this number is bigger, man. Then what to do? Reduce, 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 reduce. Somehow make it fit inside the what? Inside the box. Now it is fine, right? Okay. 3. 4 is there, so you need not to bother about 4. Okay, place 3 there, right? Now you need to write 5 and you have to keep it inside the box. Okay, and then 6 also will go like this, and then 7, 8, 9. Okay, now you need to start from 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? Okay, 7 only, right? Already we wrote 7. Again write 7. Keep it here. 6. Yeah, 6. Place it here. And thereafter, yeah, fine. 5. Place it at the appropriate box. Next 4. Place it after 5. Then 3. And then 2. Fine. 2, 1, go. Practice, practice, practice. After 5, what is there? 6. That you have to write. After 1, what is there? 2. Where is this? Where is this? Where is this? There it is, there it is, there it is. After 1, it is 2. Okay. After 7, 8. Fine. After 1, 2. After 7, it is 8. Before 7 it is 6, before 3 it is 2. So write 2, place it there. Okay. Before 9 it is 8. Write 8. No, it is not going. Yeah, it will go. 8. Fine. Strangely, we end up with 6 to 8 here and 6 to 8 here, right? Okay, in between 5 and 7, what is there? 6 is there. In between 1 and 3, what is there? Yes, you are wrong. It is not 4, it is 2. In between 7 and 9, yes, 8. Okay, keep it there. Fine. Practice is our ordinal numbers. Travel through. Look at the fruit babies on the stage. Okay. This guy got first, this one second, this one third, this one fourth, this one fifth, this one sixth, this one seventh, this one eighth, this one ninth. Okay. Name the fruit baby standing in the first position. Mango baby. Okay. Right, mango. This guy is standing in the dash position, ninth position. That I can fill anyway. Nine. Ninth. You have to write ninth, not nine. Okay. Ninth position. Name the fruit baby standing on the seventh position. Seventh, who is there? Right, apple is there. This guy, which guy? Orange guy is standing in the dash position. Fifth position. That also we can simply write 5th, fifth. No, 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 not here, not here. That is not good. Delete. Here we have to write fifth. Fifth position. Which fruit baby do you like the most? Why? If you ask me which fruit baby I like the most, mango. I like the taste of the mango. In these 10 fruits, my favorite is mango. Likewise, you have to write your favorite and why. The reason for me to like mango is that it is very very sweet. Oh, that is my reason. Anyway, whether you like it or not, fine. Practice. Okay, what is practice? See in the first column, third, 1, 2, 3, the 3. The third star is rounded. Likewise, whatever the position is there, you have to round the corresponding one. Fine. Okay, fine. Here we have to round the eighth one. That is what he told, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eighth one is the last. We will go to the end. We will round the eighth alarm clock. Okay, like this. Here in sixth position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. Sixth position we will round. Here seventh. Seventh means this one only. Anyway, let us count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Okay. Pleasure time. What is this pleasure time? Join the dots in order to color the picture. That you people have to do. Okay. Yeah, it's very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this only you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the picture, like using bindis. Form the picture. Sorry. Form the picture like this using bindis. 4, bindis 3, bindis 5, bindis 9, bindis 7, bindis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are sufficient, man. Frame the numbers 1 to 9 using matchsticks. The number 2 can be framed as like this. That you people do. Try other numbers. Color the boxes with 9 different colors. That also you people do. Color the boxes with specified position. Slide and ladder game. To be familiar with numbers 1 to 6, to incalculate moral values. Materials required: a dice, different color buttons, method. When you get laser time, na, you play this game. And what is this, man? Oh, this is the game, man. This is the game. With the dice you have to play. Okay, fine. See, this addition part we will shift to the next video. Video is getting too long. Okay, you'll get bored, right? Okay, thank you guys.